If Microsoft Edge is blocking a site and you know it's safe, I'll show you how to turn off the scam site protection in just a few quick steps. This is useful when Edge mistakenly flags a trusted website, a login page, or a tool you use every day. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips and browser fixes. Let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Then look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. From there, open Settings. Once the Settings page loads, go to Privacy, Search, and Services. This is where Edge keeps a lot of its security and browsing protection options. Now scroll until you find the Security section. In that area, you'll see a setting called Block Sites Detected as Scams. This is the option that helps Edge warn you when it thinks a site may be unsafe or deceptive. If you want to stop Edge from blocking a site you trust, simply toggle this option off. Once that setting is turned off, Edge will no longer block those sites under this protection layer. After that, go back to the website you were trying to visit and refresh the page. In most cases, the site should now load normally. Just keep in mind this setting exists to protect you from phishing and fake websites, so only disable it if you're confident the site is legitimate. If possible, re-enable it later once you're done. So to quickly recap, open Edge, go to Settings, choose Privacy, Search, and Services, open Security, and turn off Block Sites Detected as Scams. That's all it takes. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe for more helpful Edge tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.